Hi, so in this video today we're going to show you how to look up courses you can take for the next semester or like a fall or a summer course. So when you log into MyAU, this should come up right here. You're going to go down to course schedule and you're going to click course search. Then you go to this first top bar right here and you can look up summer or fall classes. And so this is going to have all of your things on here. It also has this semester, but that's not what we're looking at right now. We're going to look at summer and then traditional fall. So you can click traditional fall or summer, whatever you're looking for, and then you can kind of narrow things down through here. So you can look for like course numbers or what days you want it on or faculty members, blah, blah, blah. And then you click search. And then you have all the classes that you can take for the fall. And there's a whole bunch down here. You just click through, but that is how you can look up classes. You can also click this button over here and it'll give you a little more detail about each class. But yeah, that's how you look up classes for the next semester. Thanks for watching.